Hello everybody, here's a quick tutorial how to use modular clause and change, let's say, top from this character to top on this character. How to mix them and get some new outfit. There are some hidden tricks behind this workflow, and I want to show how to do it. I will use this character since he has close sim. It's going to be better for this example. Let's remove rig. Then let's go to clothes and hair part, and let's take off top and skirt. And let's say we want to add clothes from another character. Let's open outfit, top, chaos, and use wardrobe item and drag and drop it here. Let's wear it. And then let's do with skirt. Double click. Now we have this small issue that pants go through the skirt, but it's not a problem. We're going to fix it later. For now, let's make it more interesting. Since all clothes are parametric, we can change body shape, and it's kind of nice workflow and really useful if you want to change the proportion of the body. So let's make something prominent, and let's make this guy taller, like 2 meters. And then let's create a full rig and assemble. Then let's give a name and click on assemble. Okay, now go to Metahuman folder and find your new character. Go to folder closing, and here you will see all clauses that Unreal Engine assembled according to new body shape. Let's pick all of them and drag and drop into your level. Let's reset location and check what need to be fixed. So I'm going to push down the pants. Is going to be the simplest way. How to do it? Open a skeleton mesh, go to a side view. Here, go to deform. Let's make a bit more space. Vertex sculpt, move, follow, let's put more, and just where's the size, and just push down. From this part we also have something like that. Accept and all fix it. You can use like your typical DCC, what you use in daily basis. You can just export, open there, fix it, or there are many ways how to do it, but I think this is the simplest one. So what we'll do next, let's delete all this clause from the level. Let's create level sequence, call it as you wish. And let's add our new character here. So what happened here is that this character going to be work as it should be. But if you need a clause simulation that going to be inside folder of certain part of clause, in our case, this is going to be skirt. And you will add a standard that going with a package with a character. You get some issue. And let's see what happened. So let's add close sim to our blueprint. Let's open it. Let's go to close folder. In this case, it's going to be skirt, chaos, and this file, close asset, that what runs the simulation. Let's add it and attach to the body. And let's hide the skirt what we have. What we're going to see is that obviously this close sim asset doesn't really match our new body shape. We have some gaps and proportion is wrong. So how to fix it? Let's open this file and check some nodes. This is the most important one, which contains the skeletal mesh of the this clause. And because we now have new skirt with new proportion, we need to just replace it. Go to Metahuman, find your character, go to closing, and find your new assembled close piece, and just change it here. We get a lot of errors because the skeleton mismatch with other nodes, what we have for simulation. Different character has their own system. Some of them use static mesh, some of them use collision assets. In this case, we have everything, so it's a good example, and let's fix it. Okay, let's first replace the collision, since we have another pants that goes from Kai character, yeah. We need just replace these new pants that going to collide with the skirt, and just drag and drop it here. Then we have to replace the static mesh. Since this skirt is quite difficult in shape, it has some silhouette, and for close sim it's obviously very difficult. When we run the simulation, all this shape will fall down and lose this kind of silhouette. To avoid this, the best way is use simplest mesh like this, which going to run simulation and just drive the skirt with nice shapes. Since we have changed our shape, it will not match with the static mesh. Let's hide our guy and reset location for these two shape. That's what we get. This is original one, this new one according to new body shape. So we need to create new static mesh from this skirt with simplified silhouette. Okay, let's check how to do it. Let's open skirt mesh, but we have to create static mesh from, and click make static mesh. Choose folder you need and drag and drop it into your level. Now we need to simplify it. Go to modeling, mesh and click on simplify. There are some different way how to do it. You can use some DCC application as a ZBrush and use some zero mesher, yeah. Or you can use native in Unreal Engine. I go with the simplest one. You just need to choose cluster based, as it gives you more uniform edges. Maybe there is some other option. It's also should be checked, but this one worked really well. You can define how strongest this simplifier going to be. I find like 4 or 5 for this mesh is okay. So I will go with 4. Click accept. And now go back to close sim file and replace static mesh with a just created one. You will need to adjust the weight map. You will find here. Go to 3D sim and this is what you get. Some mess. Clear all and create a new one and choose the area what you would like to simulate. Then pick smooth and smooth it out. And don't forget to, when you replace new collision mesh, go to selection and just select every polygons. So now we get the simulation. You can adjust some option if you know how to use them. Otherwise, just keep it. It will work fine. Save it. And let's check how it works. Since our blueprint already has this close asset file that we just fix it, we can run simulation and see that close sim works as it should.